Let's make a 3D printed ghost with LED eyes. Step 1. 3D print the ghost with a translucent PLA material. We're using a glow-in-the-dark filament. To get the STL file for the ghost, see the link to Multi3D's Thingiverse page below the video. Step 2. Glue the nuts into the holes of the 3D printed ghost. We use super glue that dries in 15 minutes. Step 3. Put down double-sided tape in the space between the nuts and the eyes in the ghost in order to hold the 3D printed circuit in place. Step 4. Print the conductive traces with Electrifi filament. We print the traces onto a piece of polypropylene stuck to the printer bed with double-sided tape so that the circuit can be easily removed from the substrate. You can remove the Electrifi circuit pieces by flexing the polypropylene substrate and picking the pieces off with tweezers. Step 5. Place the conductive traces onto the 3D printed ghost. You want the holes in the traces to line up with the holes in the nuts, and the taller pads of the traces to bracket the square holes for the LEDs. Step 6. Screw the coin cell battery holder onto the ghost. Step 7. Place the LEDs into the square holes. Make sure you match the polarity of the LEDs with the polarity of the battery. Step 8. Use a soldering iron to carefully smush the Electrifi filament from the pads down onto the metal leads of the LED while pushing down onto the LED with tweezers. Try to smush the Electrifi relatively quickly and only so much as to cover the metal leads of the LED. Be careful not to create a short circuit between the two Electrifi pads by smushing them together. Step 9. Insert a coin cell battery into the battery holder. Step 10. Clip the lanyard onto the ghost. Final step. Wear it.